Do you remember when it was time to go back to school? What's the worst thing people would say? Your free paper bun. I did not like it. But hey, do you remember going back to school with half a book and half a pencil? Now we're going back to school with tablets and laptops. Yes, tablets and laptops. Times have changed. Kids are the future and we support them. And yes, our back to school promotion is coming up again. It's July 1st. Let me repeat it. July 1st is the beginning of our back to school promotion and it ends September 30th. Now, at that time, we will be giving you free shipping for all laptops, smartphones, tablets. Yes, so gear up for this promotion. Our back to school promotion is coming up once again by popular demand.